Hey everybody, it's Thad Buckeye Boy. I'm just showing you what we're up to today. It's only about 46 here. It's supposed to get in the 50s, so I don't know if this is gonna record. I got this cold box out I built a while ago where we're gonna start some vegetables. Not here. This is our cold box. I built it quite a while ago to start vegetables, but Melissa said she don't want it here. It's not staying here. It's just out of wood and plexiglass, and it sweats because it gets warmer. Hey, Patty. Confinement, can't go anywhere, so I thought we'd start tilling our garden, and I'm going to put a fence around it and start some cold crops. We got stuff in our composter. It's not quite ready. I built this trench around it. I gotta tuck this wire down in it and cover it. Otherwise the rabbits and other things get in our garden. So hopefully this is still recording. Melissa just peeked out. Yeah, I don't know if it's going to warm up or not. I got to go through her flower bed here and fix some things. Our bricks are sagging. And I got grass growing. We do have some flowers starting to come up, as you can see. Hey, good morning, Barb. I was just telling everybody I started tilling the garden. I put this ditch around here because I got to put that wire down in it. Otherwise, bunny rabbits and a few other animals will crawl underneath the chicken wire. So hopefully we got some grapes last year. I hope we get more in their Concord. They haven't started yet. Yeah, I made it a slight bit bigger to garden this year. I can't believe I put gas in the tiller and one yank it started up. Oh my gosh. Bless. Thank you, Lord. This is the stuff I'll put somewhat under here in the trench. Then I'll tie the wire up with this. I got this tiller, oh my gosh, for $75 at Sears. I don't know how many years ago. And still a workhorse. It's not the most powerful one, but it works. We got another one I bought. I don't know, somebody took it back or something. We got our 2 peach trees out here. I don't think they're doing anything yet. Hey, Lynn. Yeah, Melissa's inside on the phone. I thought I'd show you around. I need a break. I was getting warm for doing stuff. This is our raspberry plants here. And that's going to be a little while. We had some raspberries last year. I forget what we had in here. I think it was a blueberry plant, which didn't do too good. These are blackberries, and they're like rose. If you can see those thorns, man, those things will get you. Yeah, I'll just show you a little bit around our peach tree. Uh-oh, I see some, well, I'm not sure if these buds are kind of, yeah, there's a little bit of greenery. I don't know if you can all see it. It may be promising. This one looks better yet, folks. Our trees have bloomed but not froze, yeah. Hey, Sandra, I'm just showing you around. I tilled the garden today. These are peach trees. Actually, I see a little tiny bit of green on a couple places. Melissa's starting to get some flowers poking through here. I planted quite a bit of bulbs, but we'll see how they develop. Tulips and all their things. It's a mess. I got a weed. Oh yeah, elderberry. Yep. Hey Diane. This is a little messy, but I gotta get in here and clean this stuff up. These little stones she bought, supposed to glow in the dark. They ended up, I don't know, here in this planter, but they don't grow. These rose bushes get real tall too. Those got trimmed down. I can't remember what this is. What's that the Amish have a lot? Mums. Yeah, this looks a little bad, but we got stuff growing. The lawn's not bad. It's supposed to really rain. Oh, good afternoon, Jessica. Yeah, I took a vacation. Hopefully things settle down. I don't know if I'll be going out next week. We'll see. They only had 2 drops on the route last week, or this week. Yeah, I'll show you. This is apples and cherry trees out here. So, let's see. I haven't checked them. I do have spray and stuff. Let's see. Is there any... I can't tell if they're coming alive yet. There's some fuzz on there. So it must have a little life coming in it. I don't know how well I can grab that there. My phone's dirty. Yep, amen to that, Tammy. Hey, Deborah. Yeah, we're gonna get our cold crops started. Then when it warms up, we'll plant more. Hey, that looks promising. I'm trying to look in the camera and get it. Looks like a little cotton on the... Yeah. Wife showing. The trees got a little bit of development to them. Okay, we're gonna get going. We'll talk to you later. Thank you for watching.